Hi, my name is Rafael Saldamondo, and I am the Director of Design at RX Phoenix. In short, RX Phoenix is an electric motorcycle design and development startup company. Today, I'll be sharing with you an 11-minute presentation on our first flagship product. I am very proud to introduce the RX Phoenix 001 variable class electric supercycle. Now, since this is the world's first variable class motorcycle, I'll need to explain to you our variable class concept. Perhaps the best way to explain what we mean by variable class is to look at something that we all understand: cars. What you see on this screen is four different vehicles. We have trucks, SUVs, sedans, and sports cars. As we all know, each of these cars are designed to do different things. Sports cars are designed to move fast, trucks are intended to carry cargo and traverse rough terrain, SUVs are high capacity vehicles, and sedans are well rounded, average models mainly used for people transport. Similarly to cars, motorcycles are also designed in different classes for different purposes. This slide shows four of the most popular motorcycle classes. Super sport bikes are designed to go fast. Choppers are designed for comfort and style. Cruisers are for long-range travel. And sport touring bikes are designed for maneuverability and comfort. As you would expect, not only do they look different, they are also different in a very important way. The frame geometry and the rider's body position are the main key factors in their design. The red circles here show the location of the rider's hands, feet, and seat. As you can see, the frame geometry for each of these has been designed specifically for each type of motorcycle class. These characteristics, along with the motor and suspension, are the main contributors to motorcycle class performance. The RX Phoenix Supercycle is the first motorcycle in the world with the unique ability to replicate not only the previous four motorcycle classes you just saw, but also to replicate any motorcycle available. We have accomplished this through the development of a unique blend of cutting-edge robotics and high-end motorsports performance parts. The result is our patented powered variable geometry design. What this means is that an RX Phoenix motorcycle is able to physically transform into different motorcycle classes. This is accomplished without the use of tools, stopping, or even getting off the bike. That's right, the transformation can be achieved on the fly without stopping or dismounting the motorcycle. I could dive into the details of our design. However, it's probably best to see it for yourselves. The following 90-second video shows our powered variable geometry functionality. It will run through once, but please feel free to rewind the video to see it again. Please note the handlebars, foot pegs, and seat position as you watch the video. As you just saw, our motorcycle is able to smoothly transform through a full range of motorcycle classes. Its electric motor and suspension systems are also computer controlled and can replicate the ride qualities of all motorcycle classes. As shown on this slide, the RX Phoenix comes with four main factory preset configurations. Additionally, the rider may program their own custom configurations via phone app. For those of you interested in power, the Yasa Phoenix motor is designed and manufactured by Yasa Motors in the UK. This motor was selected because it's one of the smallest, most powerful electric motors in the world. The Yasa motor is able to produce 265 foot-pound of torque. For comparison purposes, this chart shows maximum torque between the RX Phoenix, a typical super sports bike, and a production chopper. As you can see, our bike produces about 3.5 times more torque than the average competitors. Moving on to horsepower, the RX Phoenix produces about 230 horsepower. This is about 80 horsepower more than an average super sport motorcycle and 4 times more horsepower than an average chopper or cruiser motorcycle. Another key aspect of the RX Phoenix motorcycle is a very important feature we are calling power seat. One of the main differences between motorcycles is the seat. This slide shows a picture of a cruiser motorcycle seat on the left and a sport motorcycle seat on the right. The cruiser seat is concave, like a catcher's mitt. This design provides the rider with comfort and security by allowing the body to fit into the motorcycle. On the other hand, the sport bike seat is flat or even a little convex. This design allows the sport rider to slide his body from one side of the motorcycle to the other. This is needed in sport riding for shifting weight during high-speed turning. Like the rest of the motorcycle, the RX Phoenix power seat is able to change shape from a concave surface to a convex surface. This computer control transition is smooth and delivers perfectly customizable seating support for any occasion. The RX Phoenix Supercycle will be equipped with the latest technologies, including rider aid systems and electronically controlled suspension. Perhaps most innovative is the introduction of our unique phone app. The phone app will be able to provide basic information such as battery status and range. However, it will also be able to transform your motorcycle between default settings and create new custom classes, again, without the need of any tools or complicated computer interface. Another key feature of our design is our modular plug-and-play system. What you see on the screen are the main parts of our motorcycle engine. Our parts are both self-contained and plug-and-play. They fit together very easily, only using a few bolts and electrical connectors. Gone are the days of messy, oily parts and costly expert mechanics. If you can assemble a Lego set or put together an IKEA cabinet, you too can assemble an RX Phoenix motor. Our easy to assemble plug and play system has several advantages. It will lower production cost, it will make our bikes upgradable, and can become a platform for licensed third-party development. Now, having studied our competition, we can confidently make the following claims. Our motorcycles are the very first variable class motorcycles in the world. They are also the fastest production electric motorcycles in the world, and they have the highest battery capacity in the world. They are also the longest range electric motorcycles in the world. And now, lastly, and somewhat subjective, we also believe that our RX Phoenix bikes are simply the coolest motorcycles in the world. As I previously mentioned, our bikes are a unique blend of robotics technology and motorsports performance parts. It is because of this interesting blend that we expect our bikes to appeal to an extremely wide range of people. Anyone interested in cutting edge science, to die-hard fans in the competitive world of motorsports, or to the average consumer who is simply fascinated by today's popular technology. The RX Phoenix Supercycle is one of those high-tech products that truly captures the imagination. This marks the conclusion of this presentation. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions. The executive summary and full business plan is available upon request. Thank you.